Good morning, children. Welcome back after the say. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. Today we are going to begin a new chapter, that is maps, types and elements. Types and elements, okay. Physical map, political map and thematic maps. Thematic maps shows a particular theme like the distribution of rainfall, crops, soil, etc. Okay. So, we begin now. A map. Now, what is a map? A map is a particular representation of the earth or parts of the earth's surface on a flat sheet of paper made to a suitable scale. A map is always drawn from a bird's eye view, that is, how a bird sees the earth while flying in the sky. Though globes also give information about the location of places and are true models of the earth, it is difficult to mark details on them. Maps are easier to carry. They can show details of climate, crops, minerals, cities, etc. A collection of maps is called an atlas. Okay? So now, maps can be divided into three types. First is the physical map. The physical map shows physical or geographical features such as seas, rivers, mountains, deserts, etc. Okay? And the second one is political map. Political map shows the boundaries of the continents, countries, states and location of states. Now the thematic maps. Thematic map shows a particular theme like the distribution of rainfall, crops, soils, etc. Elements of map. Now what is elements of maps? Maps use certain elements to make it more accurate and understandable for reading. Title, direction, scale, grids, keys are some elements that help us in understanding a map better. Now what's a title? The title of a map gives an idea of what a map is all about. For example, the names, the area that the map shows, whether it is a political map or a mineral wealth map, etc. All this is known by the title of the map. Now directions. Directions is very important in a map. Direction helps us to locate a place in relation to where we exactly are. Maps have a north line pointing to the north so that the rest of the directions become easy to identify. A compass is used to determine north, south, east, west and intermediate directions. Now scale. The distance on the map is shown by using a scale is in proportion to the actual shape and distance on the ground. For example, 2 centimeters on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. Okay? Grid. A network of intersecting lines that helps to find the exact location of a place is called a grid. The grid lines are also called coordinates. So if you look in your book, you will find there are some symbols and signs shown over there. Okay? Now map, key or legend. The map's key or a legend. Each map has a key or a legend. Okay? Now cartographers. Cartographers are people who study maps. Cartographers use special symbols and colors to show different features on the maps. These symbols are generally found in one corner of the map known as key or legend. It helps in understanding the symbols drawn on the map. Colors, signs and symbols. A lot of detailed information can be obtained about a small area by using well-defined symbols and colors without cluttering the map. These symbols are listed on one side of the map under the title Key or Legend. Cartographers have developed certain colors and symbols to be used on the maps. Generally, these symbols and colors are universally accepted. So, water bodies are usually blue in color, plains are green, plateaus are yellow, mountains brown, and so snow-capped mountains is white. Similarly, symbols of hut, reservoir, railway line, airport, capital of country, trees are shown on the legend in maps. If you look at in page 52, you will find the symbols all drawn and given. It's given over there, you can check it out. Okay. So now, what have you learnt so far? I'll give you a quick recap. Okay. Maps are pictorial representation of the earth. Maps are flat and easy to carry. Maps can give more information about climate, vegetation, roads, etc. All maps must have all 5 elements. Cartographers generally use universally accepted colors and symbols. Now, there are some words which you may not have understood the meaning. Intersecting, divide something by lines. Intersecting means divide something by lines. Cartographers, people who draw maps, are called cartographers. Universally means all over the world. Reservoir means large lake used for water supply. Now, I would like you to do exercise 1, 2 and 3 and please show it to me in WhatsApp. Okay? So, that's all for today. Bye-bye.